Hi everyone, this is Sarah with C-StARR at Duke University. This is just a quick troubleshooting video for Android users who are having issues inputting their installation code in the ears app. So after you complete the consent form, you're going to be brought to this page that gives you information on how to find the app in the Play Store and the code that you'll need to use to install the app onto your phone. So you'll see there in step 2, this is the installation code that you're going to input when you're asked after you download the app. So to show you what that looks like, after clicking through the first couple of introduction pages, you will be brought to this page where it says enter your unique study code. So again, your unique study code is going to be just what you see right there in step number 2. As you're going through this, you can just write that down. Unfortunately for Android users, that copy installation code button does not work, so you'll need to write down the code manually. If for some reason you forget to write down the code or you can't find the code, we can always send the code to you as well, or if you just still have this tab open, you'll just go like this, go back to your survey, find the code, write it down, and then enter it right there. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us by email or text.